Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to cut an inner cap under 3 minutes. Trust me, 3 minutes you are done. So you'll be needing your scissors, your tape measure, your ruler and your chalk. I'm using a lycra material for this inner cap. Then I'm going to measure my head circumference. My circumference is 22 inches and I measure my length of the cap, which is 12 inches. Then I cut out my measurement. Your round head circumference is your head circumference. I hope you get that. You're going to measure it round and you cut out your measurement. After cutting out my measurement, my fabric is folded in two. Then after cutting out my measurement, I'm going to fold it back to 4. Then I'm going to run a stitch down where I showed you like this. But I love to have a curvy shape along the line, along the straight line where I'm going to run my stitch, because it allows your inner cap to sit well in your head. So I'm just going to run a stitch, a straight stitch around it. And after running a stitch around it, you can see the very neat one. I'll show you the outer parts. This is the outer part after running the stitch. The next thing is to pick up your needle and then you put a thread in it. The thread I'm using is just a normal thread and I ran it in 4 lengths. What I mean by 4 lengths is I ran it in 4 pieces. Then you're going to make a pleat, a simple pleat at the bottom of your cap towards the stitch area. You're going to make a pleat. As you see me do, make a pleat, then you are going to knot it. After doing that, then you cut and make another stitch. It's a very simple DIY tutorial. You can decide to do it. Very simple one. We have our cap ready. We have our inner cap ready. Thank you so much.